In Chapter 13 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrator visits Marla Singer at her hotel, which opens a deeply personal and intimate interaction between them. Marla, dealing with her fears of having cancer, asks the narrator to examine her breasts for lumps, a request that reflects her vulnerability and the complex relationship she shares with the narrator. This situation is a significant one, as it marks a moment of genuine connection and concern, deviating from the chaotic and destructive patterns that predominantly characterize their interactions. During the breast examination, the narrator's mind wanders, and he shares a memory of a time when he received treatment at a medical school for a wart on his penis. A medical student had used liquid nitrogen to remove the wart, an experience the narrator found excruciatingly painful, comparing it to the burn of lye. This memory provokes a crude comment from his father about women liking warts because they act as nature's French tickler, to which Marla grimly responds that such warts can cause cervical cancer in women, highlighting the dangerous ignorance in the narrator's father's remark. Additionally, the doctors had noticed a birthmark on the narrator's foot during his treatment, initially suspecting it might be cancerous. However, their disappointment upon discovering it was merely a birthmark reflects a morbid fascination with disease and dysfunction, mirroring the broader themes of destruction and decay that permeate the novel. The chapter also reveals that Marla has Tyler's kiss burn mark on her hand, linking her more directly to the destructive world of Fight Club and Project Mayhem, realms from which the narrator partially detaches himself in his moments of care and concern for Marla. This discovery underscores the interconnectedness of their lives, bound together by Tyler, and hints at the complex interplay of relationships and identities within the novel. The narrator further delves into discussions of bodily harm and mutations by recounting stories related to cancer and body modifications, including a personal anecdote about his grandmother's partial mastectomy and a disturbing tale of a woman who married a mortician with bizarre sexual preferences, requiring her to soak in ice water and remain motionless during intercourse. These stories serve to explore themes of bodily autonomy, the impact of illness and alterations on personal identity, and the often bizarre and harmful ways in which these can manifest in relationships. Chapter 13, thus, provides a poignant exploration of vulnerability, fear, and the quest for understanding within the chaos of the characters' lives. It contrasts moments of genuine care and intimacy against the backdrop of Fight Club's violence and disaffection, revealing the multifaceted nature of human connections and the complexities of the narrator's and Marla's entangled lives. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.